Hi there, do you like to test your blades outdoors? Come join me as I try to gather firewood and cut them. Okay, but first, check this out. Alright, check this guy out. So, that's the remains of a water buffalo horn. There. A really hardworking carabao. Now, what better way? What better way to give tribute to a really hardworking animal than by giving him a special place of honor right in the area where he used to work, right in the place where he spent a lot of time working to give food for everyone. There, water buffalo, carabao, could very well be the national animal of the Philippines, being that the Philippines is an agricultural country. Yeah, what better way to give tribute to an animal, this badass animal that works so hard even during stormy weather just to give or to help us produce food for everyone. This guy died of asthma last year. He died of asthma. So really, a really weird way to die for an animal like him. Alright, now let us do some firewood cutting. Yep. Check out this. Check. Yeah. Looks well. Let's remove some stones, avoid accidental hits. Stones could chip our blade. Dry wood fires up easily. Works, huh? Another one. Works, huh? We'll continue and check my other blade feature videos as well, and our discussions on EDC, bagging out, etc., prepping, even my outdoors poetry videos and my outdoors guitar videos and other guitar videos. So be safe. Thanks for joining me. And do you also like to check your blades outdoors? Kindly comment down below and also share your videos here in my channel. And see you next time. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you.